Hello everybody, welcome to Kurdish lessons. Today I want to show you how to pronounce several words which start with B. So our first word is bar. Bar. Bar is burden, okay, like load, burden. And you can use it as a verb, bargırın, to load, okay. And the second word is bear. Bear, it is with long A. Bear, it is shovel. What you collect the trash with? Shovel, okay. And beer is memory, beer, and we use it in the verb, like in a verb, it is like te biraman. I remember. Te biraman. Like literally, it's coming to my mind. I remember. And the fourth word is bra. Bra, it's brother. And the fourth word is a verb. It is bırın. Bırın is to take. Okay, bırın. So, bar, bear, bir, bra, bırın. Bar, bear, bir, bra, bırın. Bar, bear, bir, bırın. Okay, thank you so much. Have a perfect day.